Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a new vendor or supplier, as you might call it, within NetSuite. So the first thing you want to do is head to lists. From there you can click on relationships, scroll down to vendors, and then hit new. The first step when creating a new vendor is to first decide which subsidiary you want it to live in if you're using a multi-subsidiary setup within your NetSuite. So in this case, I've set it to Honeycomb Holdings. I'll then come and add some additional information such as company name. And you can see that you can add other additional information over here such as phone numbers, email addresses, and comments. It will also allow you to add key contacts. So I'm thinking things like CFO, account manager, sales manager, etc. You can add each one of those with their job title over here. So for example, I'm adding Bob. His title can be CFO. Email bob@example.com. And we can see the mandatory fields are hit with the red asterisks over here. So he's going to belong to that one. I'm going to hit add. You can go add your next one. We've also got a track of, any phone calls that you need to keep, tasks, events, user notes, etc., as well as any additional files or documents that are really important. You can then come through and add additional information on the company, such as the default addresses, specific financial information, which accounts are you mapping it to within your general ledger setup, as well as any purchase order tolerances, quantities, amounts, etc. This will all obviously you can use workflows and automations to trigger actions and events based off this. And obviously, ultimately, keeping in mind the warnings and levels that can come in if you're going to go over them. Another key information is, bank payment details. Set this for EFT bills so that you can, trigger that payment to come through electronically. If you're happy with that information, simply hit save and you're good to go.